Hello everyone. So I'm making this video because I have problem with my Dodge 2010 Dodge Journey. The the key I cannot take the key out. Okay, I was tried everything and cannot take the key was stuck, and then try to start. It's not start, and I almost called the tow truck to take my car to the garage. I almost spend money for nothing. So the problem is the gear handle. Perhaps maybe somehow it's not in the parking position. I mean, it's not on the good position, or sometimes your gear handle have little bit of problems. It's not good on the park. So just try to put up and down your handle, parking handle. Okay, just try to up and down and pull to the dry and pull back to the parking couple times, and then try to turn to start. Like I have the same problem. I have been cannot take out the key and cannot start, but I try to play with my handle, with my gear handle, and then I start. So like see now it's in the good parking. So I try to pull up and down in the good parking, and then I see I start. Yeah, I can start. So it's the problem is very simple, but sometimes you don't know how to do. I just play with. I try to take out the battery, perhaps maybe to reset the computer or something. I take out the battery, and I put the booster on. Maybe I try to boost it. Maybe not enough battery, but no, everything is good. Battery is good, and it's still not working. And then I come back to inside to the car, and then I play with this one with handle, put up and down, and and then after that I start, and then I can take the key out. See, I can take the key out. So maybe this problem happened to you. Maybe you can check it out. Maybe you have the same problem of mine. So yeah, that's it. Sometimes you spend the money for nothing, for $200-300 to tow the car to the garage or to the dealer. They try to charge you more. Okay, thank you. I hope this video will help you if you have problems. Okay, and if you like this video, thumbs up and like it. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.